Introducing the Frontend Link for funnel management. Are you ready to streamline your link tracking and gain valuable insights into your funnel performance? In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use Frontend Links to consolidate multiple links and track their performance effectively. Frontend Link for a funnel is an efficient method of consolidating multiple links into one, using subgroups for better management. This approach provides a detailed view of all actions, engagements, and sales across your funnel, enhancing your understanding of user behavior. To begin, create a link group in one or more subgroups using the Tools Group Manager in the header menu. Once you've established the group and its subgroups, create a front-end link under the Links page and assign it to the appropriate parent group. Scroll down to show advanced settings and select the front-end option. Next, add all desired links for that funnel in the created subgroup. For example, links for different traffic sources. This setup allows you to track clicks from various locations using subgroup links, while the main links data of the link performance. Meanwhile, selecting its subgroup enables monitoring of individual link performance within the funnel. Remember to use the tracking link of the created links in a subgroup to accurately monitor performance. Don't miss out on the opportunity to optimize your marketing efforts and maximize your ROI. Start using Frontend Links today and unlock the full potential of your funnel.